Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to change your voice on the Snapchat. So if you want to change your voice on the Snapchat, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat. Now you have to record your voice, or you can record a snap. Once you will do it on the on the left bottom, you will see a voice icon. Simply you have to tap a while on it.
This is tutorial. Hi, this is tutorial. Hi, this is tutorial.
Once you will tap on it, you will see different voice options will appear here. So simply select any according to your choice. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.